your local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
5:46 this morning. I know a lot of you guys saw this feature in the sky last night, and it's very interesting right here. These crepuscular rays. What happens is that something was blocking the setting sun. It could be a mountain, could be a storm, and so that's why you saw that shadow there in addition to those rays. That's as you're facing the sun. As your back is to the sun, you get the opposite effect, the anti-crepuscular rays. Tim in Salem got them both. And so, yeah, storms can actually have that effect, and we've got a few of those right now, especially in Botetourt County. This getting closer to I-81, especially as you get toward the Arcadia and Buchanan exits there. Also getting closer to exit 188 in Rockbridge County. You see that in the western half of the county. Still some heavy downpours in parts of Allegheny, Bath, and Highland counties, with storms gradually weakening in parts of Grayson, Wythe, and Bland County. Still some rain out there, maybe a little bit of gusty wind, but not as much lightning as we had earlier in the morning. As these storms move to the east, they're gradually going to weaken this morning. However, they'll redevelop in the heat of the day, and areas in the green stand the chance of seeing a couple stronger thunderstorms. So as we back up the view, I can show you that the severe weather threat is slightly higher the farther south you go today. For the rest of us, it's going to be a hot one. We'll start out the day with clouds from these storms as they weaken, and then gradually see more sunshine. But there's that front that's going to produce a few of those hit or miss storms heading into the afternoon. Most of those are going to be just to the east of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Will be hot and breezy otherwise, and you would expect us to cool down behind a front. Not so fast. We're actually looking at more heat tomorrow. We'll be left dry and mostly sunny. So your zone by zone forecast today, kind of similar to yesterday temperature wise, as we're in the middle to upper 80s in the NRV. Everywhere else, high temperatures about 90 to 94. By tomorrow, we'll take it up a notch. Highs in the NRV 85 to 90. Everywhere else, just about 93 to 96 degrees. And then heading into the weekend, even hotter. So if you have any chores to take care of, make sure you're doing them very early in the day or very late in the day, because even though the humidity is not going to be insane, it's still going to be quite hot out there. Temperatures well into the 90s this weekend. Don't want you guys getting exhausted out there. For the New River Valley, we're talking near record heat, especially by Sunday with the high of 93 in Blacksburg. Not quite as hot next week, highs in the 80s as we see more scattered storms coming back into the mix. Roanoke Valley, 94 today, 95 Friday. There you see in the center part of your screen, temperatures within about 2 degrees of record heat, which in mid to late July is saying something. We'll see highs in the middle to upper 90s, low to mid 90s Monday with some strong thunderstorms a possibility. Scattered storms then again Tuesday and Wednesday with highs 85 to 90 in the Roanoke Valley.